I did mute alerts. Here you go. Want a fucking TTS
Seagull,
cancer?
Please wait. I'm headed home to watch stream. I just need to pump up my bike tire.
All right, there you go. Mootsie, thank you for the 3. All right, the donos are being muted again, but that one was pretty good, actually. That was actually pretty good. All right, back to settings. So, what? You got rich people, Konas, and streets. I'm tempted to be a Kona, but I don't know if I want to live out there in the Badlands. It looks kind of boring. Be rich? No, it looks boring. This one looks boring, I think. There's got to be Nomad or Street Kid. Bro, I think I'm going Nomad. I want to be a Kona. All right, where do I turn off eyebrows? Wait, speak about. Wait. Why the fuck did I not make my character fat? Wait. Escape. How do I make... Chat, how do I make him fat? Wait, I have all of these different things I can do. I can give him different teeth. I can turn off his nipples. And I can't make him fat? Garbage fucking game, dude. All right, let's go.
Day.
Hey, Mike. Didn't know you had a customer. Rolled in a few hours past.
A fellow Kona. What's going on?
Don't you sweat it, Mike. We're gonna hash it out.
Excuse me,
Don't
officer.
you know you owe the sheriff a word when you pay his town a visit? To tell him what's brought you here. Maybe even over a cup of coffee.
I'm passing through.
No need to worry. I won't be staying long.
Always stick to their packs.
My family's in pieces. That's why I'm headed for Night City.
Makes you an outcast among outcasts.
Woo!
Sure as hell hope you'll be on your way before long.
I heard this place is famous for its hospitality. Glad to see it wasn't just rumors.
You're damn right we are. When people come along who know how to behave.
Behave.
I saw a broadcasting comms tower on my way in. My antenna's down, and I need to radio someone.
What you need's to hightail it out of here without another word.
Dick.
Ain't got no mind to see you drifting around these parts. Got it?
You like the sound of your...
You like the sound of your voice, don't you?
What's that, Drifter? What are you on about?
Nothing. Nothing at all. My car gave out. The electric coupling. It's a miracle I made it here. Maybe the client left a message. Could you check for me?
Sure. Last time, though. I mean it.
Sure.
Client's name?
Jackie Wells.
Jackie. We're looking for Jackie.
Huh. Actually left a message. He's waiting on a farm. Flicking you the geoloc data.
Thanks, Willie. I owe you.
Willie! That's a... All right, hello?
Oh, I was worried I'd have to turn to farming. Yeah, sure hope you're here for me.
You
Are
Jackie?
you Wells?
And Jackie, por favor.
I'm V. Seems you have cargo that needs to be moved.
In your vehicle. The security check will begin shortly.
Seems legit.
I got a real bad feeling about this.
Yeah, relax, buddy.
You know they'll notice if you're nervous, right? You have to calm down.
Right, yeah.
Nope. You got any bribe money?
If we want the customs officer to turn a blind eye to our dubious dock use, we'll need a sweetener. Do you have the credit chip with the bribe?
Oh, yeah. Forgot about that.
This is not
Right.
going to work.
You forgot.
Oh god, here we go. Here we go, boys.
Papers.
Papers, please. Is this routine? I know the drill.
Is this routine?
It might be. We'll see.
Woo!
What are you transporting?
It's all in there.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work.
Everything?
Dude, I feel like bribing this guy is such a mistake. Should I do it? Holy shit.
Is that all you have for me?
Doing it.
There's one additional enclosure to the manifest.
Jackie, get your ass in the
Someone's
center of the
going our
lane.
way. This does not look good.
Uh-oh. What do you mean?
Stop your vehicle immediately.
Let's get out of
Holy
here.
shit.
On it.
It's
You're
time.
transporting contraband that is corporate property. I repeat, stop the car.
He's like, nope.
Gotta keep moving! Ah, those pendejos are stubborn!
Easy.
Me! Watch it!
This is fine.
Mierda. Close call. We lost them.
Did you though? What, they just have a drone?
Close. Not sure my nerves can handle this.
Keep driving. You can't stop here.
Place looks deserted. Gonna stop here. Need to sort out a few things before we go
You
on.
drove for like 5 seconds, bro.
Fucking hell.
Hijo de la chingada
This
madre!
crashes. Okay, dude.
Open it.
Shouldn't touch the merchandise or open it. It said it was biological, climate controlled. Do it.
Hello?
Oh, shit. It says Arasaka on the crate. We are robbing some heavy hitters.
And maybe we'll make some heavy money.
Got him.
Oh, mames. A real iguana. A, lesser Antillean, I think.
Holy. Do we trust him? He was honest. Sure.
Thanks. Much appreciated.
Sure.
Hey, come on. It's nothing. We got chemistry, you and me.
Uh-oh.
Be a crying shame to waste it. Partner.
Hey!
Aw. Cuddly little fucker.
Okay, partner. Time to grab the lizard and scurry out of here.
What the fuck?
Hello there, Night City! Stanley here with you, and we got another day ahead of us in this city of dreams. Ooh, I love this town. Love it like you might love a mother who popped you out on the steps of an orphanage once and now stops you to ask if you got a smoke for her. Every new day here means 100 new arrivals, but only half these gonks will survive a year, and that's if it's a good one. And why do these peeps come to NC? Well, to be street samurai like Morgan, Blackhand, and Waylon Boa Boa. The greater the risk, the bigger the bounty, kids. Or so they say. But you can only be a major league player for so long. The faster you live, the faster you burn out. If you
What
don't get
the
a bullet
fuck?
to the brain first.
Cool, I got owned.
NC's legends. Know where you'll find most of them? The graveyard.
Got him.
Matters not where you're from. Matters not where you start. What matters here is the walk you walk. In Night City. The city of dreams.
It's just a random trailer in the middle of the game.
Chick we're looking for is somewhere in this building.
To do a time skip, huh?
Probably crawling with the pendejos. that
Half a
kidnapped
year
her.
later?
Eyes and ears open, all right? Speaking of which, got you a little something. Militech training shard. In case you need to, brush up on your dance moves. Down for some target practice in VR?
Yes. This isn't considered a brain dance.
Sure.
right?
Why the hell not?
Sharp and lethal, don't cut yourself. Uh-oh. I have a katana. Holy shit! It's so scuffed.
Now show me what you've learned.
Oh no! You face a mix of enemies.
Good stuff. Looks like you're cruising already.
Holy shit!
Up on the platform.
This is cool.
Think I got her. Got our target.
We make it? She alive?
About to find out.
Baby.
V, jack into her biomon. Need to know what we're dealing with.
There's also another body in the tub.
She's in the tub of ice, crammed in with another. Fuck. Like slabs of meat.
He's flatlining.
Oh.
V, need to know what's going on.
Jackie, air hypo. Fuck, this is bad.
Hey, catch, vato!
Time to save.
I think... Holy shit, it worked.
Fuera, cabrón. Get her outside.
Oh wow.
Place the patient on the ground.
How? Oh, on the stretcher.
Place the... 5 steps back. Now.
All right. Well, I guess I saved some stuff.
Let's get out of here. That'll be the
Good work. Shit show's over.
Is it though? Is the shit show over?
See you in the near future.
Listen, mano. I got this
Oh
thing.
boy.
Mind if I borrow your wheels?
I'm excited. This game's legit. Look in the mirror. Ah! All right, never mind. We're good. Smile. Oh, just get me out of here. Nano gel alert. Do not click on any emails with ads for penis enlargement nanogel. This is a scam.
Man of the hour.
I turned around for 1 second, dude.
Long enough. Worked up an appetite. Just waiting.
Jesus Christ!
Sit down. Let me finish this.
Thank God we have these barriers up.
Drop in on Senor Vector. Stop. Ripper Duck and Holmes. Easy on the gas, huh? I just ate.
Vic, shit's getting real. Got a job from Dex to Sean, hitting the major leagues. Need tactical perform.
The Dexter Deshawn? Well, that is something. But let me guess.
I'm gonna loot his
Hasn't paid
place.
you yet. Kuroshi Optics.
Holy
Best
fuck.
I've got, and should be about right under the circumstances. Now jack in.
It's time. It's top shelf tech.
Kuroshi? Whoa. Vic, nothing tops that on the market.
Sounds like it could come in handy then.
I gave you my word I'd pay you back, but this might be too rich for my blood.
We'll work something out. Right now, I'm just out to make sure you get back in one piece. Eddie's in hand.
Aw, he likes you. Oh shit.
It ought to work like a charm.
Damn.
Now draw your weapon. You should see your ammo count in a brand new sight.
What about the virus?
How about the neurovirus from the last job? Can you check it?
Done and gone while we were putting in your implant. And a full sweep on your soft and circuits. Zap the critter. You're certified bug-free.
All right, let's go see what's going on over here. Get into the limo. Oh, wrong side. Oh, he opened the door for me. What a nice guy. Hey, buddy. Nice arm.
Yo, Mr. V. A pleasure.
Dexter Deshawn in the flesh. Ample indeed.
Let's roll. Mission just for you, but we'll get to that.
Pre-mission? All right, tell me what you got.
Let me hear it. What's the job?
There's this prototype tech, a biochip to be precise. Job's to grab it. Simple.
Yeah. Guessing it belongs to a corp.
Mm-hmm. Arasaka.
Oh.
Surely that's no problem. Of course, to do so, you'll need that frazzled cat's info. Sending it now.
Sounds like we get her help, and then we pop off.
I think I got everything. Time I got to work.
Well, that's just music to my ears. I'll set up the meet with Miss Parker at Lizzie's bar. Flathead, though's gonna be all you.
Skeptic Leptic, pay for 30 months. And Elk, thank you too.
Quiet life or blaze of glory? Later now.
All right, let's go to Lizzie's bar.
Hey,
Where's Lizzie's bar? Oh, that's pretty far. Where's my car? There's my car. Press V, just shows up. Fuck! All right, we're good, we're good.
Evelyn Parker.
Hello, Evelyn.
I knew it was you as soon as you walked in.
Cool. Wait, drink.
Sense on? Only tequila I drink. How would you know?
I like to know everything about the people I work with. Either that or it was just a lucky guess.
Oh, she's scary. Why meet here?
Why are we meeting here? Any particular reason? Actually, it doesn't seem much like your thing, this place.
I'll take that as a compliment. Come on. Know a place we can talk where ears won't prick up to listen. For the biggest lie this town puts forward. That he can gain and retain control of anything.
Okay. What's on the relic?
One more thing. Data that's on the chip. What is it?
Irrelevant, entirely.
We're talking about data Yorinobu snuck out of Arasaka. What's more, he wants to pass it on to Netwatch. Sounds pretty damn relevant to me.
Listen, V. The relic. That's my concern. Your concern? Earning a paycheck.
Got him.
Just get the job done. I'll make sure your bank accounts are sated.
All right.
Okay, what's next?
Now comes the best part. Follow me. Got something for you.
Is it even more?
Should
Oh,
help your
God.
plan. Brain dance from Konpeki Plaza.
Hey, there you are.
This is V. He's here for that BD role. And V, this is Judy. Best brain dance editor I know.
Enough already. Gonna make me barf.
Quite the setup.
Impressive looking setup. Need all this to process brain dances.
Analyzers, sensory sig amps, acoustic and emotive wave monitors, facial expression translators.
Judy.
All right. Compiled your BDF.
What do you think? Will it do?
Still pretty raw, but yeah, ought to do.
V needs to get deep inside. That's most important.
Huh.
So, let's calibrate. Tune it to him. Now, sit still. Look at me. Gonna run the analysis soft. Should feel a slight tingling.
Look at
Okay,
Judy.
now let's set the optics and other sensory sigs. Look smack into these two screens. Pretend it's an eye exam.
Am I gonna have to do this calibration dance every time?
Not necessarily, but it's worth the wait. Give me 2 more minutes and you'll see exactly what BD analysis is capable of. 2, 1.
Okay. I don't hear music. I think we're okay.
Plan simple. Do nothing odd. Don't get creative. You go in, snatch the cash, get out. And we sell the BD to those psycho freaks.
Yeah,
in
we're
the
safe.
studio. Got it. And remember, everything on full blast. They'll spot us extra for a wicked adrenaline high. Okay, on you go.
God damn. Layer visual.
Down, everybody!
On the ground! I want to see you kissing the flooring! Money! Now, or I will fucking drop you, I swear to God! Whoa! Yeah! Hey! Now! Before I blow your fucking head off!
See ya.
Ah!
Where did you guys see X?
Yep, that'll do. Thanks, Judy. We got it. Later, T-Bug.
Nice work today. See you soon.
I'll wipe the cache on your data. You were never... Keep it. I'll put it on Ev's tab.
No, please just burn it.
Portable device for handling BDs. I already uploaded your calibration settings. Not as sophisticated as what we got here, but should do the trick.
And it keeps you out of harm's way. Clever.
Speaking of harm's way, know what I see looking at you? Walking, talking corpses.
Do this job for me. I mean me alone.
Okay.
No splitting the payout with anyone else. No middlemen. No Dex.
I mean, Dex seems chill.
If I agree, there'll be hell to pay, for sure.
I know. Whatever you decide, it stays between us. I can offer 50%. Eddie's enough to do whatever the hell you like.
Go on. Let him know we're here.
Knock, knock. Calling.
Don't know you.
Open up.
Just open the fucking door.
Yeah? You make a fucking appointment? Because I don't see nothing in my book.
Want to talk to Royce. Dex sent us.
Main room. We've been waiting.
Got him.
Chill, V. Remember, we're on their turf.
So what do you want?
Where's Royce?
Here to see Royce. We got biz to transact.
Biz.
Mr. Royce is busy just now. You'll deal with me.
You got a bot. Model MT0D12. Called the Flathead.
And? The hell you care?
Guy I represent already paid Brick for it. I'm just here for the pickup. I can talk direct to Royce if necessary.
Nah, you talk to me.
Okay.
Name's Dum Dum. Now couch. Planet. Here we go. The Flathead. Model MT0D12.
Militech's not gonna come looking for it?
Yeah.
Fuck them. They can hop around and try.
Oh shit.
We'll remove the serial number and lifted access locks using our soft. Once it's yours, it's yours.
Show it.
Need to see it.
Sue yourself. Fucking tricked out this thing. Dynamic thermal optic camo armor.
Holy shit.
Full cognitive immersion with a Raven controller. Pimped out prototype actuators made of titanium, vanadium, Kevlar composite.
Titanium, vanadium.
And watch this. Fully integrated link 2. So when the spider starts crawling up walls dangling from ceilings.
Could lose your lunch. Come on. Can't expect me to pay for this thing twice.
And who the fuck are you to say what can and can't be? You'll pay twice because I say you'll pay twice.
Okay, dude.
Alright. You want the Flathead? I better see some eddies.
You got any discounts?
Seeing as you already got the eddies for it, you ought to offer us a discount.
He's gonna kill me, isn't he?
Big one.
A discount? Fuck. You know, you never did say who sent you. Never did say who you're working for.
Dexter Deshawn. That's who.
Dexter Deshawn. The lard ass who punching animal fucked half of Pacifica? He ain't dead.
It's time, boys.
You're dead. You hear me? That all makes sense.
Throw grenades! Throw grenades! Throw grenades!
Cut off. Grab the gear. Bottom control shard.
This guy's floating! Yoink it all now!
Be out of here.
go, go! Take cover! Ow! Nice and tight, nice and tight!
I think I'm overheating. Heal up. Drugs. More drugs.
Gonna blow! You're up next! We're coming for you!
What's hitting me? Why am I on fire? Dude, shotgun Odes actually knocks them down and everything. Oh, maybe his bullet set me on fire. Damn, pistols own with headshots. I mean,
That's the gate. We can talk there.
What is this? Just not suspicious?
Dealing with Maelstrom, huh? Never ends well, does it? Looks like you two lucked out a bit.
Where's Stout?
What happened to Stout?
She placed some bad bets. Her clock ran out. Simple as that.
Oh, she's fucking
Suffice
dead?
to say, you won't be seeing her again.
What do you want?
And you? Why are you here?
Well, I still don't know who the mole is.
Oh.
I was hoping the Maelstromers would shed some light on it.
Yeah, I doubt that. Pretty tough to get corpses to talk.
You'd be surprised.
Oh, shit.
I'm sure I'll manage something.
True.
It's been a pleasure.
Hey, you seem nice. He seems fine. Just walked right through me. What a nice guy. How you doing, Jackie?
Holy shit, V. I wasn't sure we'd walk out in one piece.
We did it.
Think we're done. What now?
I had enough for one day, let me tell you. Let Dex know we got his toy for him. Fatso ought to crack open a bottle for us after what we did for him today. Ahí luego, V.
How things looking, Mr. V?
Got it.
Got the bot.
And how'd it go? Run into any trouble? And what about the Militech angle?
All of it went to trouble.
Sure, of course it was trouble. Royce couldn't have given two shits that you and Brick had shaken on him.
How'd you get him on board? You used the corporal one?
I want to see if it killed me.
Met with Stout, managed to strike a deal.
Well, well.
Gave me the chip with the scratch from Maelstrom.
So you paid for the flathead with corp cash?
No. Decided I could use the Eddies myself.
Damn right.
And I just grabbed the bot.
Just like that?
Not just. Had to use violence.
You got some balls, Mr. V.
Damn right. Everything's
We're
ready to
all
roll.
set. Ready to go. What now?
Now we do the job I hired you to do. Grabbing that biochip.
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace, chat. Later.